play ABC animal rhyme. A to Z fun. Let's meet animals big and small. From A to Z, we'll learn them all.
A is for alligator, alligator.
B is for bear, bear.
C is for cat, cat.
D is for dog.
D, dog.
E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fox, fox. G is for giraffe,
Giraffe.
H is for hippo.
Hippo.
I is for iguana.
Iguana.
J is for jaguar.
Jaguar.
K is for kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
L is for lion.
Lion. M is for monkey, monkey.
N is for narwhal.
Narwhal.
O is for owl.